Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Claude AI for long document analysis. To get started, open your browser and search for Claude AI Login. In the search results, look for the official Claude sign-in page and open it. This is the safest way to make sure you are accessing the correct platform before uploading any files or starting your analysis. Once the page loads, click the sign-in option for Claude and log into your account. After you are signed in, you'll be taken to the main Claude workspace. This is where you can create conversations, upload documents, and ask questions about the content you want to review. Next, look to the left side of the screen and click New Chat. Starting a fresh chat is helpful because it gives Claude a clean space to focus on the document you're about to upload. This can make your analysis more organized and easier to follow, especially if you plan to ask multiple questions about the same file. After the new chat opens, find the plus button near the chat input area. Click that button to open the attachment options. This is the control you'll use whenever you want to bring external content into the conversation, including long documents, reports, PDFs, or other supported file types. From there, click Add Files or Photos. Your computer's file picker will appear, allowing you to browse to the document you want Claude to analyze. Select the long file you want to work with and confirm your choice. Depending on the file size, it may take a moment to upload, so give it a few seconds if needed. It's a good idea to double check that you selected the correct document before moving on. Once the file has been added to the chat, click the up arrow button to send it. This tells Claude to begin processing the document in the conversation. If you have also typed a prompt along with the file, Claude will use that request as the starting point for the analysis. After that, Claude will analyze the long document, and you can begin asking whatever you want about it. For example, you can ask for a summary, key points, important findings, specific sections, or help understanding complex material. If the first response is too broad, you can keep refining your follow-up questions to get more focused answers. And that's it. Once your document is uploaded and processed, Claude becomes a useful assistant for exploring long, detailed content much faster and more efficiently.